buses, car, internet, roads, the most talked about man, and I have him with me. Thank you so much, Sidharth, for being on SpotboyE.
No, please. Thank you so much for having me on your show.
But you've really taken long for viewers to see you talking at length after Bigg Boss.
Yeah, because I wanted to take my time off and let it all sink in and see things around, and there were some things that were aligned, so happened to do those, and then now yes.
Tell me, अंदर जब आप थे
जी,
तो इतना बाहर आपको पता था कि basically it is boiled down to Sidharth versus Asim, the support on Twitter, the support on Insta, the support even in normal public. I mean, Had you known that your nearest competitor is Asim?
No, not really. Honestly, not. And to be very honest, it may sound slightly not untrue to you, but it is the fact. I was never. Everybody was my competition. Yes, I wasn't wanting to compete with any of them. I was actually going for the victory. I wanted to get the trophy, and my eye was only the trophy. It did not matter who was next, who was behind, who was in front.
But पता तो चलता है ना, like if you're playing the World Cup, doesn't the supreme team?
I wish, because you know the tallies, what's happening, you know the scores, you know what the other team is done with. You don't know anything, so you really don't know.
Okay.
You don't know who's scoring when. यहाँ पे तो आपको पता है कि आपकी सामने वाली टीम ने 2 गोल मार दिए हैं, आपको पता नहीं कौन सा गोल गया है, कौन सा नहीं गया है, कौन सा लोगों को लग रहा है गोल हुआ है, कौन सा गोल एक्चुअली में हुआ नहीं है, किसको पता ही नहीं.
तो आपको इंटरप्रेट किया जा रहा है कि
और अंदर आपको इतना
अच्छा है, कोई बोल रहा है वायलेंट है,
और अंदर आपको इतना कुछ बोला जा रहा है, आपको गलत दिखाया जा रहा है कि आप लड़कियों से अच्छे से बात नहीं करते हैं, आप के मुद्दे बन रहे हैं, और वो चीज़ें आपको दे ऑल पुल यू डाउन. और आपको अगर ऐसा कोई बोलता रहेगा तो ऑब्वियसली बाहर के लोग आपके साथ नहीं होंगे, तो आप हमेशा क्वेश्चन मार्क रहेगा. और वर्स्ट मेरे लिए वो था कि एक नाम जिसे थोड़ा जाना पहचाना था अंदर जाने की वजह से, तो उसके मैंने जो किरदार प्ले करे हैं उसके वजह से जो लोगों का नज़रिया मेरी तरफ था और जैसा मैं हूँ वो काफ़ी अलग है. तो टू हैव देम like people who were supporting me because of what my roles used to be, and then supporting me, I had this problem where I could lose out on people rather than gaining, because I'm not like the characters. They've loved my characters that I've played, and here I am myself.
Okay.
So I in fact had more of this, I feel.
Fine.
Yeah.
So congratulations once again. But do you at least know that there was a lot of school of thought that you are being allowed to get away with aggression, violence. And when you must have come out, okay, fine, you didn't know inside. You must have read that Sidharth ko काफी lenient थे. Even somebody said Salman was lenient towards Sidharth. Do you think so?
I really don't think so, because अगर आप देखेंगे तो 2 बार नॉमिनेशंस में मुझे डाला गया, 2 बार के लिए. और अगर आपने वो फाइट्स भी देखी होंगी तो I wasn't the one who started it. In fact, if they've been the strictest, they've been with me. क्योंकि जब मुझे कोई नच करे, मुझे प्रोवोक किया गया, तब मैंने वो रिटेलिएट किया है. मेरा एक भी आप मेरे को वीडियो दिखा दीजिए, एक भी आप मेरे को बता दीजिए जहाँ पे मैंने सामने से कुछ किया, कभी नहीं. हर टाइम कोई आके मुझे धक्का मारेगा, कोनी से मारेगा, धक्का मारेगा. ये सारी चीज़ें मेरे साथ हुई हैं, तब मैंने रिटेलिएट किया है. एक बार भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है जब मैंने खुद पे किया है कुछ. तो अगर मैंने खुद पे नहीं किया, और अगर किसी ने, आप देख रहे हैं कि किसी ने इनिशिएट किया है वो चीज़, और उसके बाद भी अगर आप मुझे 2 हफ्ते का नॉमिनेशंस में डाल रहे हैं, तो वो क्या है, घर में आप नॉमिनेशन से तो बच रहे हैं फिनाले में पहुंचने के लिए. आपको 2 बार मुझे डाल दिया है.
So you are also in the danger zone.
Yes, exactly. तो प्रॉब्लम तो मुझे आई. तो आई शुड बी टॉकिंग अबाउट बीइंग बायस्ड. लोगों के पास उनके सपोर्ट सिस्टम्स आ रहे थे, उनके सपोर्ट सिस्टम्स उनके साथ रह रहे थे, तो मेरे साथ तो कोई नहीं था.
You had also Bindu Dara Singh for a certain time.
That was only for that day, Bindu Dara Singh. But that time, when I was in the house, I didn't even know Bindu Dara Singh was supporting me or not supporting me. It's only that I've come out of the house is when I know that he is supporting, that I got to know that he was supporting me.
Did he come and tell you that at least, okay, आपका बाहर बहुत support है, don't worry, because you earlier told me that I didn't know it at all.
Yes.
कहीं ऐसा point आई जो उन्होंने कहा कि and you got little pumped up and reassured?
No. You know why? Because I feel some people, if they like you, they'll tell you things to maybe boost your morale. And some people who do not like you will try and drag you down. तो मुझे बाहर की कोई सी भी ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेशन से ना ना खुशी मिली ना मुझे ख़राब लगा, क्योंकि मुझे जब तक, मैं ऐसा इंसान हूँ कि जब तक मुझे ना मालूम पड़े सच में क्या हो रहा है, मैं अपनी राय नहीं बनाता. तो मैं वो उसमें क्या, मैं सिर्फ चाहता था कि मैं फुलेस्ट खेलूँ अपना जब तक मैं हूँ गेम में, और मैं अपना 100% दूँ, और मैं ऐसा कोई काम ना करूँ जहाँ पे मुझे शीशे के सामने आना पड़े और लगे कि यार ये क्या कर दिया शी.
So there was a school of thought that the show is also being rigged, you know, and in your favor.
Yeah.
You must have at least read that after coming out, if not heard it inside.
No, to be very honest, I haven't really read it, but I just feel that it's a very loserly statement to pass, and I don't think, for everybody who's been in the house would have ever felt like that there was any discrimination. Like everybody had things like, you had people's support systems coming into their house, staying with them, and a lot of things happening for people. Somebody's favorite numbers being played and anything, for their friends being coming in or having friends in there. So I really don't think that is the case. And it's really sad that people happen to say that. I think it's just a classic case of grapes asar, where people happen to pinpoint or say things about, just after losing, that you happen to say something like that. Now that you tell, I also, to be very honest, now that you talk about sites, I also read that, I do not know which one now, because I remember my mom happened to say this to me, that some site that has per every week's this about who's topped the charts had me throughout, and I did not leave my number one position since day one. So when something like that has happened, how can this be? How can the channel be biased? Mm-hmm. Because if that is what a neutral site showing that. And if that is showing that, then it's got to be. And so, do you think now if I presume you've watched the show?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think that it could have been? Did I not give anything to the show, or did I not do anything for the show, or did I not do anything that could have got me to where I am? Do you feel that they've been biased? Because what matters is not people saying it's unbiased people who are like you, who can actually go on and say something like that. In the sense, it's your point. No, I'm talking about you. Your point would be more important to me than fans.
No,
like my fan.
I also spoke to, I'll tell you, Asim's brother.
Right.
And he said, to be honest, dekha jaye to everybody was violent, and this time the aggression was very high.
True.
But I will not put it on Sidharth only.
Right.
And everybody was.
Right. Yes.
I mean, 19-20 ka fark hoga, but everybody was equally.
Right.
So.
Right.
That was one thing. But tell me one thing, that why was Vidhu helping you so much? Do you have a history with him? Do you have friends?
No, I've never met him before in my life. I have never met him in my life. Yes.
You're so emphatic, jeetega.
Yes, I know. In fact,
jeetega.
It was really kind of him to say that. I don't know what he saw, which is fantastic, but it's great to have that support. In fact, my sister also went on to say this, and this is something very personal, because the kind of conversations I had at home. My sister has also gone down to tell me that, like, Omar was out there for Asim, is how Bindu was there for you. Yeah, it was really sweet. Yeah, it was really sweet. Because man didn't need to do anything and doesn't get anything out of it. So it was really kind of him to just put in
that. So when everything, Asim और आपका थोड़ा बीच में दोस्ती हुई, फिर थोड़ी छूटी, फिर अरहान का चैप्टर भी खत्म हुआ, उसके बाद the entire focus of the latter part of the show was on Shehnaaz and you. Okay. And it was almost said that she told you I love you, and what was happening? What is the equation between you and Shehnaaz?
Shehnaaz and me are very good friends, and I maintain it there. And I'm of course fond of the girl, because she's very different. She's not like your regular girl out there. And it's every moment that I spend with her is fun and interesting, and it keeps you into that fun zone and relaxes you and keeps you relaxed.
Is it love?
I don't really think so. No, I don't think it's love. No, it's not love. No, it's not love.
Okay, you're taking some time to say that.
No, that's why. Yeah, because first I said think, then it doesn't sound right.
No, because she's going to Swayam, but I'm disappointed she's going to Swayam.
No, why would I be disappointed? It's work. She's doing something that she likes. It's not that there's a gun put on your head and you're made to do something. It's a show that she's put herself into, and
but she might end up getting married, and you're fond of her at this moment.
No, fond as a friend, I am fond of her, and I will be friends with her for the rest of my life if she allows that. So then, yeah.
You sorted it out with Rashami, the entire thing, So
no, I think by the
you're
end
better with her now. I mean, that's
we haven't spoken, but I don't think there's anything to sort out now. I think it's all cool between us, and by the end of it, we are very cordial with each other now. Of course, we haven't spoken, but yeah, there's no problem.
You have been her friend at some point of time. Maybe now not so much because of whatever differences. what was your emotion at that time when you felt that she was people are saying she was saved, that she came to know कि Arhaan ऐसा है जो already उस पे she was saved
right.
from when Salman spoke about Arhaan.
Yes.
So whatever memories you have, you can't have bad memories about anybody. You must be having some fond memories of Rashmi also.
Yes.
So as an emotion, what you felt?
I just felt sorry that she happened to trust someone so deeply who has cheated her or is cheating her by facts, realities. Because in a relationship, I feel transparency is the bare minimum that one should have, and truth, trust, and transparency is something that a relationship stands on. There's some बोलते स्तंभ होते हैं, तो वो नहीं है तो फिर you feel sad because.
But you didn't discuss with her. She never.
No, I didn't, because I don't think I wanted to get in that zone with her.
Into that space.
Yeah. So yeah.
That ऐसी लड़की comment made a lot of noise.
Yes. But then ऐसी लड़की, I also happened to, when Salman sir asked me what does ऐसी लड़की mean, I said Rashami Desai जैसी, and I told of all the doings of hers inside the house, and I did specify that.
Why did you take the 10 lakh bag and go away?
Why did I 10 lakh bag? No, because like I told you, the day one when I came in, I was chasing the trophy. So it wasn't 10 lakh rupees that I was chasing. I was chasing the trophy. Even if the winning amount would have been 5 lakhs and 10 lakhs were offered, I would still take the trophy home.
Yeah, but confidence was
even
there.
Even if the winner was to get 5 lakh rupees and there was a chance of somebody getting 10 lakhs and walking out, I wanted the trophy.
You want that acclaim,
yes, I wanted
fame.
to win. Yes, I wanted to win the trophy. Now that I put myself into this, I wanted to win the trophy.
But Sidharth being a hero, and you have been the darling hero of most of the audience.
Well, thank you for saying that.
Why would say a hero?
Yeah.
Generally, Bigg Boss is associated with people
right.
Who are not heroes and heroines.
Okay.
I mean, I know Shweta Tiwari won it. I know Ashiki Zero, Rahul Roy won the first one. But why were you wanting this trophy so much? What was the?
No, it's not that I was wanting this trophy so much. I wasn't too sure whether I wanted to do the show when it was offered to me. Then I did get into doing the show, but once I set myself up that I'm doing the show, I wanted to go for the win.
Marriage?
Great institution.
Do you believe in it?
Of course I believe in institutional marriage, but I'm not married and I
You're
don't see myself getting married. Yes, I am.
Okay, that's a big statement from us, the most eligible bachelor on Indian television.
Right.
I think girls are going to really celebrate today.
Yeah, wow.
So life after Bigg Boss?
It's fantastic. A lot of thinking in, a lot of knowing about the times that you spent inside. Sorry, and now people's views on it and people's reactions towards you, and all throughout that you were just feeling whether you are, the way you've been made to look and by people in the house, and things that are said, and how untrue and how different. And how off their thinking and ways of measuring you were.
Offers मिल रहे हैं movies के, web shows के.
हाँ, बातचीतें चल रही हैं.
शुरू हो गया है.
जी.
So will you go back to television if offered a TV show?
Whatever great comes my way.
Nothing like that कि अभी मुझे movies करना है, अभी मुझे web करना है.
नहीं, अभी देखते हैं क्या जो अच्छा है वो.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sidharth. It was lovely talking to you.
Likewise. Sir.
Thank you so much for being on SpotboyE.
No, thank you so much for having me on the show.